The whole scent in it. Yeah, she says the thing all the eye I cleaned it yesterday. The thing that all the eye full of thing in it. So. Good morning guys. It is Sunday. It is Sunday
that
morning.
side there?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll
So drive properly now, you the doggo. We're gonna be falling though. Drive cautious. With caution. Anywho, good morning guys. It is Sunday morning and we are off to the beach. And I didn't want to drive this morning. No time for one lot. Let mommy drive. I was driving. So we're going to the beach. Well, we're not going to bathe. We're just carrying the dog. The dog that's obedient. I have something about the dog self. The next one, I don't think I have mentality to do that dog this evening. So we're going off to the beach.
Erase all of these broken dreams and flight, and we'll fly. We'll fly away, away, away. Yeah, we'll fly.
Speech. I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but bear with me. But if you can, today is such a beautiful day. Sun is out. The water is not that bad, but I'm not gonna be because I really have time. But today is just such a beautiful day. Let me show you guys this. This bird is just gliding. Yeah, so today is such a beautiful day guys, and I'm loving it, and I'm just so grateful for so many things in the most simplest form. I am truly grateful, and I just wanted to share how my typical Sunday might be sometimes. I don't come to the beach every Sunday, but yeah. It's like a friggin' thunderstorm. The whole weather, atmosphere, everything gets changed. Straight here, chill AF, dog. I'm trying to get her clean up and all that jazz. Come baby, come.